Hi guys,
Hi.
happy Saturday. I am here with my new friends Dana and Nico, and we just went on a fun ride.
Yeah.
So we're having a great day. I'm back home now from hanging out with my neighbors, and I'll have to tell you the story of how we met because it's a really interesting and unique story, so I'll tell you that sometime. But I am so excited to share this video with you because I consider it my first real vlog just because it took so much editing, and I've never edited before really, and I may have edited it for almost 2 weeks, and I'm not great at editing yet, so that's why it took so long, but I'm learning, so I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I'm sorry this vlog is kind of long. My videos won't usually be this long, but just since it was a special, just accessing my port, I decided that it was okay for it to be a little bit longer. Also, I'm sorry about the quality of the videos. I'm just using my iPhone right now, so it's not the best and the volume is not the best at times, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. Hi guys, I am doing an IV today, so I'm going to access my port myself. My mom usually does it, and she's downstairs so she can help, but I just decided I wanted to try to do it by myself, so you get to watch. So for accessing ports, you need a Huber needle. This needle is special because it's just for ports. You need Tegaderm, so that holds the needle in place while the IV is going. You need an IV bag. You need the medicine to inject into the IV bag. You need sterile gloves. You need alcohol swabs and flushes of saline. Once I'm done, I'm going to de-access the port. I do heparin, but I don't need that yet. So first, what I'm going to do is put the medicine into the IV bag, and I've already filled it with some saline. These are neuroamino acids. It really helps my pain, and it helps the stem cells to work. Now I'm going to draw out as much as will fit in here. Wow, that's thick. Hard to draw. I've never done this IV myself. I've had it done before, but that's a thick, very thick medicine, which means it's hard to draw back. That's all it means. I'm not sure how many cc's are in the bottle, so we'll see. Okay, then I take this and I inject it in. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Now these are sterile gloves, but right now I don't need them totally sterile just because I'm not accessing my port yet. But when I do access my port, I will need them to be sterile, so I'll get a new pair, obviously. These things are hard to get on, man. It takes skill. See, like. Okay, I have my sterile field. Now I'm going to prime the needle. Priming the needle just means that you're flushing it with saline to get all the air out, because you do not want any air going in to your IV. Then I prime the tubing for the IV. So you take the tubing and take your IV bag. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm gonna hang it on a hanger. Actually, I'll hang it up here first so you can see, kind of. Okay, can you see this at all? Now you can see, kind of. You take this off. You want to make sure and clamp this, or it will all just come flowing out. Push it in. And then you're priming it so that you can get all the bubbles out as well. I also put on a mask. Okay, let's start this again. So, put my sterile gloves back on. Okay, here we go. Since this is all sterile, I can touch everything now. This is the needle. And the port is a triangular shape. It's right here. So what I do is I hold the port okay. Let's check for blood return. I got it! So there's blood return, and I taste it. So, now, I'm going to put the dressing on. That didn't hurt at all. Whoops. I can put a needle on my chest, but I can't put the dressing on. These gloves are hard. What the heck? Maybe I should start over. Always keep extra supplies. Much better. And there you have it. Got to flush it again to make sure that there is good blood return. To make sure it's still in place. And it is, because I can taste it, but there's blood. So that's exciting. So what I do is I wipe this off. I wipe this off. Hook them up. Unclip this one. Uh-oh. I got this all twisted. Okay. Clamp this one. Unhook this one. And we're going to just clean it again. So we'll clean this one. And then this one. Okay, now I hook it back up. And I unclamp that, and then I start this. And I adjust it to how fast I want it to go. It's supposed to run over an hour. I can either make it really fast or slow it down. I got my IV all hooked up, hanging from my handy dandy fan, and it's all hooked up to my port and running. I can taste it. It tastes horrible, but it's worth it. So I'm gonna just relax, and it makes me kind of sleepy. The tubing comes out here, and then I just tape it so that it doesn't, you know, tear out as easily, because I'm very adventurous with my IVs, so I carry them everywhere and I stretch the limit when I walk across the room. Oh my word, there's a huge bug over there. That's not okay. Oh gosh, no, no, no. How did it get in here? Oh goodness. But I just wanted to give some advice, because I don't know about you, but I'm not a huge fan of family cleaning time. Let's have story time while I am hooked up to my IV. Once upon a time, my parents wanted me to do some housework, but I needed to do an IV that day, so I hooked myself up to the IV, and unfortunately, that meant I couldn't do housework. So, words of wisdom: if you don't want to do housework or what your parents tell you need to do, all you have to do is hook yourself up to an IV. I mean, of course, doctor's orders. You need to have that and do it legally. But I mean, you can get out of a lot of things because you're hooked up to an IV and you can't move. And it is the best thing ever, because I'm like, oh, was I supposed to do that? I'm so sorry. My IV is taking longer and I just can't do that. Sorry. And it's just awesome, and I totally take advantage of it, because there's got to be some perks out of this, right? Thank you so much for watching my video and for coming along with me on this journey. A day does not go by where I don't realize how blessed I am. So thank you so much for all of your prayers and support and encouragement. It means more than I can say, and it makes me emotional just because I'm so blessed. So thank you so much. I hope you liked the vlog, and if you did, give it a thumbs up right below this video. And also there's a red subscribe button below the video, and if you click on that, you'll be notified when I post new videos. and it won't give you any spam or anything because all it does is notify you when I make a video. So please click that so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. I have some cool new videos that I will be uploading soon. One of them is when Ashley Costa, who was a Dancing with the Stars pro, she and her family came to my house several weeks ago to give me a free dance lesson because I won a contest on their YouTube channel, and they also just hung out at our house for a long time and we had the best time. So I can't wait to tell you all about that and show you some videos and pictures. I also have a video of me de-accessing my port. So today you saw me accessing it, and I will show you how I de-access it, which means when I take the needle out. I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. Bye.